Hey traders, if you've ever thought about trading Forex, stocks, or commodities online, you've probably heard of Meta. In this video, I'll break down exactly what MetaTrader is, how it works, and how you can start using it today even if you're a total beginner. What is MetaTrader? Is a popular trading platform developed by a company called Meta. There are two main versions, MetaTrader 4 or MT4 and MetaTrader 5 or MT5 MT. 4 is widely used for Forex trading, while MT5 supports more asset classes like stocks, commodities, and futures. Both versions offer powerful tools for charting, technical analysis, and automated trading using expert advisors, also known as EAs. Why do traders use Meta? There are a few key reasons traders love MetaTrader. User-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate. Even if you're new to trading, real-time market data. You get live quotes and fast execution speeds. Technical tools. It comes with dozens of built-in indicators and supports, custom ones too. Automation. You can create or download trading robots to place trades for you. Mobile access. You can trade directly from your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, MetaTrader gives you full control over your trading environment. MT4 vs MT5, what's the difference? Now, let us talk about the difference between MT4 and MT5. MT4 is perfect for Forex traders who want a simple, fast, and stable platform. MT5 offers more time frames, more technical indicators, and access to different markets like stocks and commodities. MT5 also has a built-in economic calendar and supports more advanced order types. So if you're planning to trade just Forex, MT4 is great, but if you want to diversify or use more features, MT5 might be the better choice. How to get started with MetaTrader? Getting started is easy. Choose a broker. Pick a reliable broker that supports Meta. Download the platform. Go to your broker's website or MetaTrader's official site. Create a demo account. Practice with virtual money before going live. Learn the interface. Explore the charts, indicators, and tools. Place your first trade. Once you're comfortable, start trading with a small real account. Don't rush, take time to learn the basics before risking your money. Now that you know how to get started, let's quickly explore the interface. We'll use MT4 as an example, but MT5 is very similar. The first thing you'll see is the chart with various technical indicators applied by default. You can change indicators, add new ones, or delete them. Below the chart, you'll find the indicator settings where you can customize the appearance and options of each indicator. To the right of the chart, you'll see the asset price with real-time quotes. You can open a trade by clicking on this price. A new window will pop up, allowing you to set your order details such as the lot size, take profit, and stop loss. Once you've set your desired values, click on the Place button to open the trade. In the bottom left corner, you'll see the order status with all open positions. You can close a position by clicking on it in this list. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the economic calendar, which shows important macroeconomic data releases. These dates can help you predict market movements and volatility. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the navigator window containing all the available assets to trade. You can expand this window to see more assets and filter them by type, such as Forex, stocks, or futures. Now that you're familiar with the interface, let's cover some basic trading concepts. First, we have order types. There are two main order types: market orders and pending orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell at the current market price. A pending order, also known as a limit order, is an order to buy if the price goes below a certain level or sell if the price goes above a certain level. Next, we have trade positions. A position is simply the amount of currency pairs or assets that you've bought or sold. For example, if you bought one standard lot of EU, you would have a position of 100,000 euros. And finally, let's discuss pips. A pip is the fourth decimal place in a quote. For example, in a quote of 1.2345, the pip would be the fifth digit after the decimal point. The size of a pip varies depending on the instrument and exchange rate. Tips for new traders. Here are some quick tips for beginners. Using MetaTrader, always start with a demo account. Use stop-loss orders to manage your risk. Keep learning, follow market news, test strategies, and analyze your trades. Don't fall for get-rich-quick expert advisors. Test everything before using it live. Conclusion: MetaTrader is one of the best platforms out there for retail traders. Whether you use MT4 or MT5, you're getting a solid tool to help you understand the markets and execute your strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.